The baby is moving right now. Let's see if we can see. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, as the title suggests, what the title says. All right, guys, this is an updated video, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Hey guys, I know it's been a minute. It's been a minute. I don't record a video for my channel, but I think I'm up for it. It's a brand new year. I'm here. Welcome 2021. Happy New Year, guys. Yeah, big up on yourself. So guess what? I'm excited. I feel blessed. I feel good. I feel confident. I feel pretty. Oh my God. Guys, tell me. Comment down below. Are you feeling this look? Yeah, I think I feel cute. You know, I'll be in the house with these braids, looking like a hot mess, like a real baby mama. But, you know, when it's time to get cute or, you know, it's whatever. But guess what? As the title suggests, this is an update. We are in the last stage of the pregnancy. Yes, aunties and uncles and godmoms and, you know, cousins. And we don't have no step. But we are in the last stage of the pregnancy, and I'm just gonna explain something to you guys. I did do another ultrasound, but we're gonna leave that one. But I did went to the doctor again, okay? And she told me something. My doctor is a female, by the way. She's very nice. She's an older lady, so she's really nice. I really do like her. Yes, so we're just gonna talk about that, my pregnancy. I'm getting bigger, the nose is bigger, everything is bigger, belly is bigger, belly just big like so, and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling blessed. Sometimes I'm extremely tired. I don't want to do no makeup to do a video. I just feel like, listen, for me to do a sit down video, I gotta look presentable. I have to do my makeup and I have to get this wig right. I'm not gonna sit down and talk to you guys in some braids. I'm not gonna do that. So yes, I do wear makeup and I can do makeup, so why not do your face, you know? I'm not the type to have on some lips, go get my lashes done or my eyebrows done and say I don't wear makeup. That's makeup. Lipstick is makeup. But, you know, being that I'm a makeup artist, I gotta stay fly for you guys. You don't know, every day we don't wear it. I don't sleep in it. As soon as I'm done doing my face, guys, I promise you, I take a picture, maybe do a video, and just rub it off. It's not like I sleep in it or none of that, you know. But you know how it is. I'm back to natural color here. Are you guys feeling it, or you like the colored more? I don't really like big earrings, as you guys see. I have in some little knobs, and I'm rocking my glam visory. This is a new set, so beautiful. And I have two other bracelets on my hands and my WatchCrissyWork t-shirt. I did this video makeup today on Facebook Live. Facebook is WatchCrissyWork also. But anyway, guys, let's get into it. The baby's moving right now. Let's see if we can see. Oh, she stopped. She stopped moving. The baby stopped moving. But anyway, guys, I went to the doctor, and this is 2 visits. So I'm gonna tell you guys about 2 visits. So She do recommend because I'm feeling pain. I'm telling you, a Friday night, I think it was the 18th of December, I feel some pain. And I think I told you guys, I said maybe the baby turned at that time. I think this baby turned that night. What me tell you, say I went to my bed like 6 o'clock in the morning, and the baby start moving again. Why is she not moving for the camera? Every time I talk, she start moving. She's moving. But ooh, she's moving, guys. She's moving, she's moving, she's moving. But I knew, and I think that baby turned on that day. I tell you guys, like, it was 6 o'clock in the morning when I took a shower. You know, I'm a late sleeper, and I was there. Cushion was not home. He went to some party, and then I was in bed because I was just cleaning up, doing this, doing that, and I went to take a shower. Then I lay down. As soon as I lay down, I did not fall asleep until maybe after 9 in the morning. When me tell her said 3 hours, like, I feel some pain. So I did made something, and somebody said maybe the baby was turning on or at that time. However, I did feel the pain again a couple days ago. But I knew the baby is turned on because I do another ultrasound, like I said. So it's like, okay, then the pain, I did not fall asleep until maybe after 9. Drink water, no say no water more, because I was just peeing, and that's another thing. But my doctor do recommend, I told her about the pain that I'm feeling. My foot swell. So she tell me everything that I do, try to keep it up. So we had to organize the recliner chair that I got, that Kushane bought in the baby shower. So we have to put that up, and trust me, I'll be sleeping in that thing. Let me tell you something. I'll be sleeping in that chair like it's nobody's business. I'll be going in that chair like it do lift up my foot, and then it rocks, and then I can lean back. So I'll be sleeping like a baby. Kyra still coming out of bed, and me get up out of my bed, go in it for sleep, because Kyra problem. I have my little throw right there, and I put it there, cover myself, sleep, and feel good. Okay, but anyway, I started using that chair. It feels so good. So my feet, it got down. Also too, I think one of the reason why my foot, you know, well, my feet, you know, them swell is because I was packing some barrels for Jamaica. My sister do business in Jamaica, and also I was sending down products and stuff. So I did have a pack barrel, and I was on my feet. So I know afterwards, after the barrel ship and everything is done, I realized, hey, my foot gone down, you know. So that was the reason. So I knew I was on my feet for that. When I told her, she just told me, you know, relax, the blood pressure is okay. I'm still taking my irons. Every time I do my tests, they are okay and everything. God is good. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Jesus. And then for the back pain, she do suggest me to get one of them something that way you put your belly in. I don't know the name. Somebody comment down below and tell me what the name is. How I call belly bag? I don't know the name. But she suggests that I can use one of those and get one of those to use just to help to, you know, lift the pressure off. And it will help. Honestly, I didn't buy it. I didn't buy it. I don't buy it. All I know, I don't buy it. But she recommend using that. And then, you know, the visit was okay. Everything is fine. You guys knew that I did my sugar test and it came back normal. I've been drinking. I've been craving this Tropicana juice. It's mango pineapple. I've been craving that juice now. I'm off lemonade. I'm craving that juice. I'm taking the Tums. It's like my pregnancy is reversed because my stomach burns right now. You know, earlier on your stomach would burns. This is the first pregnancy I have to have my stomach just burning for no reason. Well, it's for a reason, but you know. And I have to take a Tums every day or two. Every time I eat something, especially like if I eat a patty, Negril patty, the restaurant Negril, it's close by home. So I'll be going there, Cushy and be going there. You hear? I'll be eating patty from Negril restaurant. So sometime at the patty, to be honest, and I'll be drinking that juice. I do drink a lot of water. I do. Yeah, my skin, you guys knew that my skin cleared up, but I realized, and my doctor said it to me also, I realized around my mouth area, like right at this area, and then under my neck there's some fine bumps. Realize it's the mask. So finally we discovered that the mask is doing that, because you know, when I'm in my car, instead of taking off the mask, I put it down. You know, you dry it down, everybody do it, and I do wear the disposable mask. So I don't know, the mask be doing that. But on the last visit that I did an ultrasound. You guys see, I'm so excited. I did an ultrasound. You guys knew the baby shower is out the way and all of that, but my doctor, she recommended another ultrasound. I guess is to see if the baby is in the right place, if she's turned and everything is okay. So I did do another ultrasound. Give you a joke about that now. So my ultrasound was an 11 o'clock ultrasound. Tell me how me wake up 8 o'clock to get ready to go do my ultrasound and drop. Hear me, not sure me have time, because the place is like 11 minutes from home. Yeah, same place, doctor office, everything. So I'm such sleep like people. I woke up at 10:40 and I had to be there 30 minutes before, because I don't remember, there was some issue, so I had to be there before, you know, basically 10:30. So I had to call them and tell them that, listen, I'm still coming, but you know, I'm just gonna be like 15 minutes late. And they said okay. So you know, it's COVID time, everybody's working on time. So I did do the ultrasound and I see baby. So guess what, guys, I'm so excited. I am excited, like I'm really excited. As you guys start watching the video, you guys notice that I was excited. I'm excited right now because I made some money on my website today. We had a 30% sale and we made money. I'm so thankful. 2021 start with a blessing, 2020 end with a blessing. Stay prayed up. But guess what, guys, you guys, we are definitely, the video will be on the family channel of the ultrasound results. Okay, so make sure you go over to the Carter family to see that video. Okay, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, that's just a little update. Your girl is feeling so nice. What you guys think about my hair? You guys like it? Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I know you guys are going to be upset for this video, but make sure you go over the Carter family to see the ultrasound results. Okay, we have to talk about that. That has to be another video, so make sure you go over there. But yeah, guys, we had a sale. If you haven't checked out the website, it is WatchCrissyWork.com. Go over there and make sure you cop yourself some products. We do have good products. I try to spend time with my products, and I'm actually wearing my products. I have on First Choice and Crystal lip gloss. The blue under my eyes are from the Island Vibes palette, and I did use the completely nude palette on top because we did a soft look with a little touch of blue. Wearing After Dark glow highlighter, extra lesson lashes, my anchor pencil for the eyebrows and so forth. But I thank you guys for watching. I have a couple videos to do. Let me name them out. I have my pregnancy essential video to do. I have my bathroom video to upload. That video has been sitting down. I wanted to do a voiceover because I had B-rolls in it, but we're gonna see how that works. I have this video of my background. You guys see the Chrissy and everything. I have that video to do for a voiceover also. I have which other video? My pregnancy essentials, I have the kids room to show you guys. It's finally complete, but all I'm gonna do is show it to you because there's nothing else to do. And we have the loft area to complete, but the baby stuff are up there, and my mom is coming. We're gonna try to do videos with her, so she's coming here. Just a little update, she is coming, and her mouth is very filthy, so we're gonna have to probably beep and cut out a lot of stuff, but she's a great person. So she's coming up here because I'm gonna have baby soon, so she's gonna be here for the rest of the kids and help me out. My mother love wash. She can cook, so now I have to worry about the food and the washing the laundry no more. She tell me say I need to buy a bath pan. Mommy, a foreign will live. My mom wash every day. If anybody know my mom, know say you probably, if you used to pass my yard, she did the pipe side I wash every morning. But yeah, that's a little update. Make sure you go over the Carter Family YouTube to check out the video of the ultrasound. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, big up 2021. This is the year to pray. Always remember that God is love. Until next time, bye.